If you're searching for the most nutritious foods, a new study has your answer. Nutrition lies in powerhouse foods. Hi, I'm Kristen Goodwin with Buzz60, and what are powerhouse foods? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Journal says they are nutrient-dense fruits and veggies that strongly reduce chronic disease risks. And the center ranked these powerhouses based on the percentage of the daily value of essential nutrients each food provides. The highest scoring nutrient is watercress, providing the body with 100% of the daily value of essential nutrients. Also in the top 5 powerhouse foods is Chinese cabbage. High in calcium, Chinese cabbage scored a 91.99%. Not far behind is chard. This leafy green is loaded with vitamin C, taking on a nutrient density of 89.27%. And Popeye is right on the money with spinach. It's loaded with iron and holds a nutrient density of 86.43%. So what does it all mean? It means fueling your body with these superfoods can help you get the most of your daily essential nutrients to prevent free radicals and disease. So pump up with powerhouse foods. When it comes to your health, it makes sense to eat foods that are nutrient dense. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.